I got a luxury version of one of Louis Vuitton's most popular and least expensive items. There are tons of videos and posts and all kinds of things, lots of information about this item, but this version of it is not talked about very often at all. So today I'll do the unboxing, show you all the details, tell you about the other pieces in this line and other options that are available to you in this piece, as well as where to get it and what to watch out for, because there's one of these that most of you will not want, but it's very similar to this one, so I'll teach you how to tell the difference. So stay tuned. And welcome, I'm Autumn Beckman, and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. I post new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those. And so you don't miss my daily community posts where I share the best sales of the day and fabulous handbags that I find. Also, don't miss my website, autumnbeckman.com. I will have it linked below. The shop page is where you'll find handbags and small goods that I have for sale, as well as the My Handbag Collection organizer and other planner pages, which I've designed to help you organize and curate your handbags and your life. For example, the item tracker page is where you can record all the information about your handbags and small goods. I also have wish list pages, purchase trackers, calendar pages, and a variety of layouts, several habit trackers, and lots more. So let's jump right into the unboxing. If I remember correctly, I got this from the Real, but it has actually been just sitting here for quite a long time, before we moved to the new apartment actually, so that gives you an idea. It's from Louis Vuitton, of course. It comes in this small little pull box, drawer box. It comes in the dust bag, and I'll bring this closer. The piece I picked up is the Louis Vuitton Agenda PM in Suhali leather. And this color, it's a deep purple. I believe this is called Cassis. So let's do a little spin and look at the details of this. The Suhali leather is goat leather, and I just love the texture of goat leather. That is beautiful. It has this smooth leather trim. It has metal pieces on the corners and of course the metal snap. The stitching and the glazing are both white. So there's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the top and the bottom. And then when we open this up, the interior is also that dark purple, but in more of a smooth leather. We have the 6 rings, 2 slip pockets, one there and there, and then 3 slots for cards. The stamp here says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. And just inside that pocket, you won't be able to see it, but down here on the bottom corner is where you would find the date code. So that brings my little Agenda PM collection to 4 now. I have the purple Suhali, I have this trunks animation, the monogram, and the nomad, which is all vachetta. And I have explained before why I would want multiple Agenda PMs. I use them as notebooks, and I like to change them at least quarterly, just to switch it up and have something different. I wanted to get the Suhali, especially in this beautiful purple, just because it's so nice. It's so luxe, it's so different from what you usually see, which are the coated canvas ones. And this goat leather is just amazing. The Suhali leather, they also did bags in this. Those are some of the most luscious bags, and they're priced really well on the Preloved market. I'll link some below for you in case you want to check them out. But let me show you what other colors the Suhali PM Agenda came in. There's a black one, a white one, there's a brown one. This is the only one that I've seen that has silver hardware. The rest have the gold. There's a red one, and there's this blue one. Those are all the other colors I could find. That does not mean it wasn't done in other colors. Those are just the only ones I could find. So in addition to showing you the colors of the Suhali Agenda, I also wanted to show you all the different variations of the Agenda PM so you know what your options are in case you're interested in getting an Agenda PM. There are, of course, all of the coated canvas versions in the traditional prints, so the monogram being the most popular, but of course there's also Damier Ben and Damier Azur. And if you want to take it up a notch from that, you can get one of the coated canvas versions that has an illustration or an animation on it. For many years now, Louis Vuitton had... Hello, Snowball. He wants to be on camera now. So Louis Vuitton releases Christmas animations and sometimes other animations throughout the year, or pieces that are part of limited collections, where they have an illustration printed on top of the coated canvas. There are far more in existence that I can go into in this video, but the Agenda PM is a piece that's often included when they do animations or illustrations like that. So keep an eye out for those. And if you'd rather skip the coated canvas and go to leather, you do have several options. There's the Epic epi leather in that classic striated texture. There's taiga, which is more of a cross-grain leather. There's vernis, which is a patent leather, and for these, they, as far as I've seen, always have had the monogram print debossed. And of course, there are the special edition mirrored vernis leathers in silver and in gold. Similarly, there's also a matte leather that has the debossed monogram print. I love those. I would love to add one of those to my collection or a bag in that leather. If you want an agenda that's a little more rare, they did release them in the Marc Jacobs denim collection in blue and in black. There's also this jacquard version from, I believe, the Mini Lynn collection, but correct me if I'm wrong about that. And as you saw, there are also some in the Nomad collection, which is all vachetta. Now, where is the best place to find these agendas? Well, most of what I've just told you about, you can only get on the Preloved market. So I will have my favorite Preloved sellers linked in the description box below under the video. And if you really love the Suhali agenda like I do, and I think it and the Nomad are the most luxe versions, and maybe Suhali more than the Nomad, there is another Suhali agenda that looks a lot like this, but there's something different about it that you should know about so you don't get them confused. So you know, on this one, I'll bring it closer, you have the 6 rings, and every agenda I've told you about so far has those 6 rings. And of course, that's so you can fit pocket-sized inserts in them. However, this Suhali agenda, when you look inside there, it doesn't have rings. It instead has this bar that unhooks on one end, and you would slip over it, probably originally a small spiral notebook, but you could potentially put just a folded, like a stapled notebook in there too. If you want that, that's great, but I think most people are looking for the 6 rings, so you need to be aware that this exists. Now, how do you tell these two agendas apart? Because at first glance, they look very similar. It's easy to get them confused. And sometimes when you're looking on the Preloved market, they don't have pictures of the inside, so you can see if it has the rings or the bar. Well, there are 3 telltale signs. On my agenda, you see how there's a little round gold snap here. On the agenda with the bar, there's a more triangular shaped piece that is engraved Louis Vuitton. You also see on mine with the 6 rings, it has these pieces of metal on the corner, which is a really nice touch and reminds me of the Louis Vuitton trunks. Well, on the agenda with the bar, it does not have metal on the corners. And one more thing. On my agenda with the rings, when you look at the leather trim right here, it's just smooth leather all the way across. But when you look closely at the agenda with the bar, you'll see that that leather trim has little LVs. Again, that part of the design is taken from their trunks. I think that's beautiful. I actually prefer the look of this one with those LVs and the triangular piece of gold, but I do wish that it had metal on the corners too. Fun fact, the very first Louis Vuitton piece that I ever bought was this, and it was in this color, like a gray taupe. And when I purchased it many years ago, I did not know that it had the bar inside instead of the rings, and I returned it because of that. So I hope now that you have that information, that will help you in making an informed decision if you're looking for one of the Louis Vuitton Agenda PMs in the Suhali leather. Remember to check my links below in the description box for my favorite place to find these, as well as my website for handbags, small goods, and planner pages. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.